How to fix Instagram story. We couldn't complete your request problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do, or let's say the first way, go to the Google Play Store right here, and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. And here you will find the Instagram app, and here is the update option. All what you have to do is click on it to update your Instagram. And if you updated it and you have the same problem, then all what you have to do is go to settings, go to apps, and then go to apps again, click on Instagram, and click on this force stop option. And if you clicked on it and it still didn't work, then all what you have to do is go to storage and click on clear data, and then congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.